Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, cargo net, leather wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.